Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I figured I would turn on the camera and bring you along with me as I do some organizing in my work planner, which is this DIY disc bound half letter or junior size planner. The discs are tool discs and the cover is a tool cover. Tool is the Office Depot disc bound brand. Arc, by the way, is the Staples disc bound brand. So for today, I wanted to work on the SD card section. And if you're interested in learning how I made these clear dashboards with the text actually on them, there is a video showing how I did it, and I will link it in the iCard up above. So I've already taken out a few sheets, and I'm just using tool notebook paper for this. When I got this cover, it was a full notebook, so it had small black discs on it and it had notebook paper in it. So what I'm going to do is color code these pages, and I can use the front and back, so that's good. When I did it previously, I used Washi to color code, and I ran a piece across the top, but I think I need to do something different because when I'm just flipping through the planner, I can't see that. So instead of running Washi across the top, I thought I would use the Washi to make tabs. And so that this kind of makes sense, this is where I keep my SD cards. The one that I actually am recording on is the blue one. These are old and I don't trust them, and I need to do some work on them and clean them up. So these are the ones that I use most, and I've just taken a alcohol ink marker and used it to color code the actual SD card. Let me see if I can scoot that one out. So that one's purple, that one's orange. Then over here, these are crafting and junk journal SD cards. So this one is like a hot pink. So I need something for that. I was trying to use all Simply Gilded Washi for this, but I think I'm going to have to pull in some Cookie Sticker Co. So, and then this one is orange. Sorry if I wasn't showing you, but this is like a fluorescent pink. And I do have fluorescent pink Washi from Cookie Sticker Co. Okay. And so I don't know how I'm going to work out duplicate colors. Like this is a red one. I use this one too. This one I didn't even color code yet. It's gray, so maybe I'll use gray on that one. But you see how it goes. So I kind of have a color system going on. And then I do also have a white one. Let me get some white Washi. Here you go. The white one is actually in my laptop now. That's the one that I use for planning. So, okay. So let's start with the white, because that's probably the one that I use the most. And I got this out. I may not even need it. This is a We Are Memory Keepers cutting mat, but the ruler that comes with it is magnetic, so it sticks to it. And I guess I could use it to cut my washi, and I could actually probably cut all of it at one time. I'm thinking that I only need about 1 inch of washi tape. So I'm just gonna lay them out, use this ruler to tear where I need to tear so that I don't waste too much. So let's do them in order somewhat. And what I'm trying to do is, well, let's start over here, is keep the bows inside of the inch mostly. And then I'm going to turn those little pieces into tabs. Of course, you could just tear off the washi and do it, but I kind of want them to be uniform. And I did learn from making washi tabs in my B6 last year that it's really easy for them to not be uniform. So I'm trying to make these as uniform as possible. This also shows me where the holes are in my washi collection. Well, washi from Simply Gilded anyway. Ooh, I cut that one a little close. I hope they're not too close. And so I don't have any purple bow washi. So I'm going to have to use the Stardust. So with this one, it doesn't really matter what goes inside the inch because it's all a pattern that goes completely across. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the magnetic ruler and put it on this 1 inch line. Take my X-Acto knife and run it down through there. Make sure that I cut it. Yes. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'm going to turn it around because I'm left-handed and it's easier for me for it to be on the left-hand side. And then just run the blade through. So that is done. So now I am going to, where are my tweezers? Take the tweezers to help me a little bit. And so on this first page, I'm just gonna line this up with the center of the bow. I think that's gonna work. I hope that's gonna work. It's already sticking. And then line this up with the center of the bow, trying to keep the tape as straight as possible. And so there we have a washi tape tab. That's a little big. Let's pull it in a little closer. Did I do that one? So the cool thing is with the washi tape, if you got a good washi tape, you can adjust. And I'm going to adjust on this side. I think that might be better. It's a smaller tab. Okay. So then I'm going to get my next sheet that I want to put a tab on and line these up and do the red one. And then I'm just going to line it up with the other tab somewhat. Probably should put a paper clip on here to hold this still. And then I'm going to go over a little bit more on the bow so that we can have a smaller tab. Let's put it right here. I think that should do it. Okay. So now we got 2 pages, and I think with the next one, I'm going to start on the back. So let's put one down here. Start on the back because I want the full bow to end up on the front. Right now, the full bow is ending up on the back. Okay. Still just lining it up, trying to get a feel for where everything needs to lay. Okay. And it doesn't really matter what order these are in. That one is up a little high. As far as the spacing goes, start on the back. Okay, so we got the purple one down. I will peel these up and add them to the washi graveyard. I just don't want to take the time to do it at this moment, but they will be added. I don't know about these teeny tiny pieces over here. We'll see how much patience I have when I get around to doing it. But yeah, so that's that for the washi dashboard for now. Okay, let's pop these in. And I know this is probably kind of dull and boring, but I did want to show you how I make washi tape tabs. And that's what they look like. Let's put these pages back in. So that it gets me started. That's a good beginning. Let's see what it looks like. That they're not sticking out too far, but they'll probably show better once I get all this stuff out of this planner. Oh, and then I do have these pages that aren't even snapped in. Let's take these out. Okay, so it does close a little bit better, but can you kind of see them peeking out in there? And they are protected by this dashboard that's in the back and the dashboards in front, or the dividers. So there they are. Let's see. SD card pages. That is it for now. That is how I make washi tabs and try to keep them consistent. So pop this over here so it's not such a glare. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.